Hi, I just wanted to do a quick introduction video to the series of Python Pandas videos that I've just posted. I've always seen YouTube as a great learning resource and something that I've wanted to contribute to, but as a working professional I haven't actually had that much time. So I've invested my annual leave time or my vacation time to do this. And some of the things that I go through is filtering and sorting the data sets with Python Pandas, reshaping it, aggregating it and calculating it, pulling different data sets together and with joins, creating new measures, and then taking all the concepts and creating a case study where you take raw data and pull it all together, clean it, and create new measures and display it as a nice financial table. Just a couple of things before we start the coding videos. Coding and talking is extremely difficult, and I apologize in advance if I'm not communicating as best as possible. It's been a challenge for me to do that, and I really am impressed by some of the YouTubers out there that can code and talk at the same time. Another thing is that all the data is completely fake. It's created by myself, and I've never worked on a project like this before, so there is no plagiarism or conflicts of interest. It's purely just for entertainment or educational purposes. And then the last thing is that this is probably at an intermediate level, so if you're a complete beginner with Python Pandas and you still want to watch this, I would approach watching these videos as observing how someone a bit more experienced approaches a data set with Python and Pandas. So with that said, I hope you enjoy these videos. It was fun to make, and please feel free to add a like or a comment. I don't really mind because I'm going to go back to work anyways, so thank you.